Hi everyone, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study about line numbers. Line number is a command that is available in page layout menu under page setup tab. So what is the use of this option? We will study in this tutorial. For this, first of all we will take some data like this. This is a document with some data. So what is the use of line number? With the help of this command we can put line numbers, means on each line or to each line we can give a number. How? We will put cursor here, go to continue. In that case we can look here, every line is labeled with a number 1 2 3 4 like this. So none will delete all these numbers and continue will place numbers from 1 to next and up to the last line. So like this we can give line number to each line of a document. Restart each page means line number will start from each page, like it started from 1 in for first page, so in next page again it will start from 1, while if it is continue then it will remain continue after starting from 1. In first page from first line it is 1, but in second page it will continue from the last line numbers. But if we say restart each page, in that case every page first line will start from 1. So this is the difference between continue and next page. Restart each page, restart each section. To do this option, to use this command we have to create section in our document first of all, because entire document is in one section. So first of all we will make some section over here. I will put my cursor here and I will say remove all numbers, and again go to breaks and say continue, insert a section break. So now we can look here, it is one section and it is second section. To look section, we'll go to home and click on this formatting mark. So we can look here, it is a section. Now I will put my cursor here, go to page layout, line numbers, and say restart each section. So we can look here, in first section line number is starting from 1 and is going up to 10. Now I will put my cursor in second section and will say restart each section. Now line numbering start from 1 for second section and will continue up to the end of this section. So like this we can apply line number command continue based for each page and for each section. It's depend on us how we want to apply line numbers in our document. Suppress current paragraph. For this, first of all I will keep it continue and I will delete this section. Now I will delete all line numbering and delete this formatting from here. Now I will put my cursor here, go to page layout and will say continue line numbering. Continue line numbering is on. If I put my cursor on first paragraph or second paragraph and I say suppress current paragraph, in that case that paragraph line number will be suppressed and line number will not shown the line on that paragraph, and rest of the lines or paragraphs will remain line numbering and will remain as such. So this is the use of suppress current paragraph. If this option is closed, line numbering will be continue as it was earlier. Now line numbering option, it will open a line numbering dialog box. For this it will open a page setup dialog box, and from this we will take this line number, it will open a line number dialog box, and here are some various commands that we can apply on this line number. Start at 1. Start at 1 means every line numbering will start from 1, but if we say start from 101, now line numbering will start from 101. We can look here. So this is the use of line numbering dialog box. Second thing, count by 1. If it is increasing 1 by 1, if I will say count by 2, Now it will increase by 2. So 101, after 101 it will be 103, 102, 104, 106, 108. Means line numbering gap will be of 2 lines. So this is the use of line numbering count by option. If you say keep it 1 and keep it again 1, so every line numbering will start from 1 and count by is also 1. Means 1 after 1 second line will be 2 and third line will be 3. From text is the distance between this text and this line numbering. If we want to change this if we want to change this spacing between text and numbering, we can do it from here. I say keep half-inch distance between these two. Okay. So here is the distance between text and this. If I increase this distance, its effect will be like this. And if I say auto, it will be like this. If you want to remove all these line numbers, click on none, so all line numbers will be deleted. So like this we can apply line numbering or text in a text on text in a document if you want to apply. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any query or want to ask something, you can ask me through comment. Or if this tutorial or this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, can subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.